Would you like to know how you can draw realistic portraits like this, or this? Yeah, I request you to watch this video until the end because you are going to learn a lot from it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I was able to draw the funniest comedian of all time, and that is KEVIN HART. Yes, in today's video, we are going to draw KEVIN HART. So let's start. In this process, I only used 3 tools: the brush, then the 6B pencil, and a tissue paper. You can get these equipments from a stationery, and the tissue paper you can buy it from any shop. And before we start, please consider subscribing because as you see, I have a few subscribers and I want to reach like a 10k subscribers. Please show me your love and I will be bringing more and more amazing drawing tutorials. So let's begin. We are going to use a 6B pencil for just drawing, and then a tissue paper and a brush for blending the portrait. So let's start the work. For me, I always start with the eyes, and it's the part we are going to start with. After drawing the eyes, we are going to draw the forehead. Yeah, going to draw the forehead by looking at the reference photo, just glancing at the reference photo. Draw. It doesn't matter how many times you glance at the reference photo because a normal artist sees the reference photo like a million times. So let's get into it.
After drawing the forehead, we are going to draw the eyebrows. Yes, the eyebrows. You must have a sharpened pencil in order to draw this eyebrow, because you need to sharpen like 100 times while drawing the eyebrows in order for the eyebrows to be realistic. In order for the eyebrows to look more realistic, you need to sharpen your pencil. After drawing the skin, we are going to draw the beard, which is the hardest part in drawing a realistic portrait. Drawing the beard is exactly the same as drawing the hair. If you don't know how to draw this kind of hair, check out this video in the right corner below. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned the skills and tricks of shading the skin, drawing the beard and other face features. So if you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like, and let's meet in the next video where I will bring you an amazing video that I have prepared for you guys. Bye bye.